Hello everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Hello app. We click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will search about the application of Hello app and you will click. Here we'll click on first stop. Then we click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.